All right, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Guys on DJ, aka God in the Wax, bringing you another video. So this time, I want to do a little review of a product I've recently come in contact with, and it's a great product and it works very well. So you can see the two little logos down on the bottom of the corners of the screen there. Basically, what I'm reviewing today is the Firefly vaporizer, which is this bad boy right here. The Firefly2 Plus vaporizer, I should say. My local vape shop had it on sale at a very great discounted price, so I decided to pick it up. And normally you can buy it off the Firefly website for $149.99. It used to cost $250 when it first came out, but they've dropped the price a lot on it. But this is so I have the Firefly 1, which is this bad boy right here. As you can see, it's a lot bigger, a lot fatter, but it's still a vaporizer, a dry herb vaporizer, and a concentrate vaporizer. This is the Firefly 1 version 1 right here. But I've had that for a long time now. They use the same battery, which is good. So when I got the Firefly 2 Plus, I could use the battery from the Firefly 1 version 1 in this device. So I have two batteries going at each time. But anyway, basically, I'm dealing with a lot of stress in life, and work is a trip, and just, you get tired of the commute, sitting in traffic every morning and every night. Just the monotonous is beats you. You need something to take the edge off sometimes, So I decided to start smoking again. Not smoking, but I'm vaping now, so I wanted to vape. And basically the reason why I wanted to do that, and the reason why I went with the Firefly 2 Plus, is because when you vape, if you can get the temperature correct, you don't feel high necessarily, but you get a lot of the benefits like body relaxation and pain relief, and it helps you sleep, it helps you have an appetite and things like that. So you can get all those effects without feeling so high and stoned, you know what I mean? And like I said, that depends on the temperature that you vape the unit. Like, let me show you this image real quick here. Let me pull it up here real quick. Hold on. So here, let me pull up this image for you real quick. Sorry about that. So basically, as you can see here, let me do this differently. Make this smaller. Make it bigger. I don't know if you can see this correctly, but you can see the different temperatures there that cannabis burns at, and the benefits that it has, and the cannabinoids that it burns at those temperatures. So I typically burn my Firefly 2 Plus at around 270. So I'm mainly getting that THCA, and then this other one here right above it. But yeah, the Firefly 2 Plus is one of those vaporizers that you can select the temperature. So there's a web app you can get access to. There used to be an app you could get on your iPhone or on your Android phone, but they got rid of it. And I guess Apple and iOS and Android decided to outlaw that sort of thing. So no vaping apps, on the Play stores and on the app stores. But Firefly does have a website you can go to on your cell phone, and then you scan for devices. That's the button that comes up when you first load the page, and you can see the Firefly because it has Bluetooth in it apparently, which is pretty cool. And then you connect to it through the cell phone on the web app, and then you can adjust the temperature that it vapes at, or does the heat at. And then you can you can change like which buttons activated and turn it on, and get it started. You can change the vapor profile, so you can make it richer or smoother. And that's pretty much it. You can see the battery life left on it, things like that. But it's a pretty cool web app, and it's easy to use. And that was one of the things that attracted me to it, being able to select the vape temperature pretty easily. But it works very well. It comes with some cleaning wipes and like the charging port, the charging dock. So let me show you the cradle real quick, so I can take it. I got it plugged into my PlayStation 5 right now. which I haven't really been using as much as I'd like to, but I'll start playing PlayStation games a little bit more soon. But this is the dock here. So basically, it just kind of sits on there like that, and it charges. You can plug it into USB. You know, the other end is USB, and you plug it in, and then it charges up. Like I said, I got it plugged into my PlayStation 5 right now. 1 second. Plug it back in real quick. Okay, so yeah, so anyway, but yeah, the Firefly version 1 did not use a dock. It has its own adapter you use with it, and as you can see there, there's like the hole for it. That's the hole that the adapter plugs into, and it charges the battery inside the Firefly version 1. But as you can see, the Firefly version 1 is a lot fatter than the Firefly 2. The Firefly 2 is a lot thinner, or a little bit thinner, you know. It has a better mouthpiece, I think. Has the same kind of ventilation, but a little bit different. But it uses like a convection oven induction type of process to vaporize the cannabis, and give you it has really good flavor. So like normally when you're smoking like a joint or a blunt or something like that, it doesn't really for me at least, it never really tasted good. But with this, you really get the flavor. Like if it's a pineapple profile type of a vape, or tangerine or orange type of a vape, or not vape, cannabis, you really get that flavor profile using the vaporizers. I've had this Firefly 1 for a while now, but I stopped smoking for a long time, just doing something just because, yeah. I highly recommend the Firefly 2 Plus. The Firefly 2 Plus is dope. It's a great vaporizer. I like it a lot. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to start talking about it a little bit more as I start this new journey again with vaping, cannabis, and things like that, to kind of help me relax and chill, and just try not to stress out too much, because life is definitely stressful. So, but anyway, that's it for the video. Have a good one. It's Thursday night right now. Tomorrow is Friday, thank God. And we had a weekend to look forward to. We can chill on the weekend, do our thing, enjoy life, DJ, make beats, fish, play basketball, go to the gym, whatever it is you do. Enjoy that, and I'll see you next time. Peace.